Hello YouTube! Today we are talking about the widely spoken F-15X. There's all been a buzz in the military hardware world as the big question is, will the US Air Force replace their aging F-15C and Ds? Well, recently announces a deal for 12 of the F-15X at a cost of $1.2 billion. Don't think this comes as a massive surprise to anybody, as the massive costs of the F-35 have made running an elite fleet of F-35 only would mean shrinking the US Air Force to be able to afford it. As today's US Air Force is the smallest and oldest since its inception, I can see the advantage of a low to high-end fleet. Lots of people have been pointing out the price point of the new F-15 as being more expensive than the F-35, coming in at $100 million, with the new F-35 being estimated at just $88 million, for the A variety anyway. However, the running costs of the F-35 far outweigh the lower price tag. Also, Boeing are saying the fighters will have a massive 20,000 hour runtime, compared to the original 5,000 of the F-15C and D. This means it will give years, if not decades of service into the future. How it's coming across to me is the F-35 is going to be used more as a strike recon fighter. This is more of a surprise, where the new F-15X is what some people are calling a missile carrier. I think this is an unfair assessment of the legendary F-15, as it's still an incredibly capable multi-mission fighter. The plane will pack a ton of firepower. Among its configurations will be 22 air-to-air missiles, 8 air-to-air missiles and 28 small diameter bombs, or 7 larger 2,000-pound bombs with the same 8 air-to-air missiles. That compares to just 8 air-to-air missiles of the F-15C and D varieties. Seems to be a great way to replace the F-15C and D without having to change all the facilities, but give a massive jump in the capabilities of the aircraft. The aircraft will be a single-seat variety of the latest F-15 Advanced Strike Eagle. Includes a flat panel glass cockpit, helmet-mounted display, revised internal wing structure, fly-by-wire controls, and APG-82AESA radar, as well as an Eagle passive active warning survivability system. Honestly, I think it's a smart move by the US Air Force, and it's even possible to sell the F-15C and D varieties to offset the cost of the new jets. So after the sales, this could actually make the F-15X come out cheaper, while having a much longer run time and much cheaper to run overall. Also, as the F-15QA is already in production, they will be able to offer it at the end of that line without adversely affecting the F-35 procurement program. So what's your opinion on the F-15X? Is it just too old now? Does it need to make way for the 5th generation fighters? Leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more content from 2 Brits, 1 Cup.